Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video we're going to review the very popular air dry folding frame clothesline. This is an Australian made clothesline and it's made from a Galvabond steel, making it very robust, tough and corrosion resistant. It has an all metal frame, it has metal wall brackets, it has metal struts and metal corners. There's actually no plastic on the constructed frame of this clothesline. It comes in a range of widths. That is the left to right dimension. It can go from 1.5 metres to a massive 3 metres wide, meaning it can hold a king size sheet. Customised widths is also available in the made to order range. The depth, which is the dimension from the wall to you, ranges from 600 millimetres deep to a massive 1500 millimetres deep. The clothesline actual capacity ranges from 10 metres of hanging space to a huge 41 metres of hanging space, making it one of the most popular clotheslines on the market today. It also has the option to have a ground mount kit fitted, meaning if you don't put it on the wall, you can quite easily freestand it in your garden. Also, it has a low line attachment option, which gives you an extra 3 lines of hanging space below this. Very versatile clothesline, very popular clothesline. So the air dry clothesline is a very easy clothesline to open and close. To do this, you simply put your hands on the front spreader bar, lift it above the horizontal and lower it, and do the same to open it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. That's all that's required to fold the clothesline down. Now to open it, we do the same. And that's all there is to opening and closing the air dry folding frame clothesline. So thanks for visiting theclotheslinestore.com.au. My name's Jason and bye for now.